Hello students, this is Manikanta. In this class we will discuss about 8th class mathematics chapter number 2 exercise 2.2 question number 13. There are 12 multiple choice questions in a test. A candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer and every unattempt or wrongly answered questions 1 mark is deduced. Deduced means subtract from the total score of the correct answers. If a candidate scored 450 marks in the test, how many questions did he answer correctly? Students, first of all, read the question carefully. There are 180 multiple choice questions. Total questions are 180. And each correct answer carries 4 marks, and each wrong answer or unattempted question carries deduce 1 mark. 1 mark from his gained score. Okay, his gained score. Okay, first of all, we don't know attempts for correct answers. Solution: let number of questions attempted for correct answers is x. The correct answer questions is we don't know, so let x. At the same time, number of questions attempted for wrong answer questions is total questions are 180. Correct answer questions are x. So wrong answer questions is 180 minus x. Okay. Now moving to the marks. Marks for correct answer questions. How many questions? X questions. Each question carries 4 marks. So x into 4, 4x. Next, marks for wrong answer questions. How many questions? 180 minus x questions. Each question reduce 1 mark into 1. So 180 minus x into 1, 180 minus x. So these are the marks of correct answer questions and marks of wrong answer questions. But these marks are deduced from these marks. That is because these are negative marks. So I can written it as his gained score is 4x and the negative score is here. So minus of 180 minus x, the resultant score is 450. So 4x minus into plus minus 180 minus into minus plus x equal to 450. Here plus 4x plus x. 1 plus 4, 5x plus 5x because both are positive signs. Here it is the negative integer. After moving this side, it will be positive integer. So 450 plus 180, that equal to 630. So 5x equal to 630, x equal to, here x multiplies, after coming this side divides. Okay, 5. So 5 one time, after that 1 carries 13 and 2 times, and 3 0 30. So 6 times 126. So x value equal to 126. Here x is what? Correct answer question numbers. Number of correct answer questions. Okay, number of correct answer questions. Here what is our question? How many questions did correctly answer? So that is our. So number of correctly answered questions equal to 126. This is the answer. Okay, clear? Okay, students, 13th one complete. Next, moving to the 16. The perimeter of the school volleyball court is 177 feet. And the length is twice the breadth. What are the dimensions of the volleyball court? Volleyball court. Observe, this is volleyball court is in the shape of rectangle. Here we are talking about perimeter. So perimeter of the school volleyball court, so is given, the value is 177 feet. So we already know perimeter of the rectangular shape equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, 2 into L plus B. Here this is the length and it is the breadth. So here breadth of the volleyball court, we don't know the length and breadth, but here length is twice the width. Length is twice the width or breadth. So let us assume width B equal to x. So L equal to 2 times of width. So 2 into x, that equal to 2x. So in our formula equal to the perimeter of the rectangular court equal to perimeter of the rectangular court equal to 177 feet. Now I can use this formula. 2 into L means 2x, B means x equal to 177. So here 2x plus x, 1x, so 3x equal to 177 feet. So 2 into 3, 6x equal to 177 feet. So we want the value of x. So here x equal to 177 by, here 6 multiplies, after coming this side divides. So the value equal to exactly 29.5 is the answer. So x, here x equal to width or breadth, so B equal to 29.5 feet, and the length equal to 2 times of breadth, so length equal to 2x equal to 2 into 29.5, 2 into 29.5. So that equal to our value 29.5. Half remove of 1, 29, 1 plus 30, 32, 60 minus 1, so 59 is the answer. 59 feet. So breadth 29.5 feet, length 59 feet. Okay, clear? Solving equations that has variable on both sides. Students, in our first few problems having variables on only one side, either left hand side or right hand side, like 2x minus 3 equal to 2x minus 3x equal to 16, like that. But if equation having variables on both sides, what will happen and how we solve that problems, we will see now. Here example 11. The present age of the Rafi and Fatima are in the ratio of 7:5. 10 years later, after 10 years, ratio their ages will be 9:7. Find their present ages. Persons are Rafi, Fatima are in the ratio 7:5. So present age of Rafi equal to, we don't know the multiples of his age, so we can assume that, so 7 into x. Rafi is exactly multiple of 7, but we don't know exact age. So we can take 7x. At the same time, present age of Fatima equal to multiple of 5, so 5x. Okay, clear? Now, suppose after 10 years their age will be, after 10 years Ravi's age equal to 7x plus 10. After 10 years Fatima's age equal to 5x plus 10. Okay, clear? But he given after 10 years their ages will be in the ratio that is 9:7. So observe this carefully. So actually after 10 years their ages are 7x plus 10, 5x plus 10. We can form in the ratio that is exactly 9:7. Observe this carefully. Rafi's age and Fatima's age after 10 years in the ratio is 9:7. Actually it is exact age, but in the form of 9:7. This 7x plus 10 equal to 9, 5x plus 10 equal to 7. But we don't know the multiples, so we can find that it has, so 7x, we can multiply this ratio with the help of this one. I can change the equation. 7x plus 10 into this 7 equal to 5x plus 10 into 9. So 7 into 7, 49, x plus 7 into 10, 70. 9 into 5, 45x plus 9 into 10, 90. So here it is the equal to, this is the there are two these all are the equation having variables on both sides, left hand side and right hand side. Now we will solve the problem. Here the 45 is the positive integer. After moving this side, 49x minus 45x, because it is the positive integer, after moving this is converted into the negative integer. It is positive integer, the 70 is positive integer. After moving this, the 70 will be negative integer. Okay, now 49 is a positive integer, 45 plus minus subtraction, so 49 minus 45, so answer equal to 4. X equal to 90 minus 70, 20. So x equal to 20 by 4. What? Cancel 5 times. So, but our task is to find the present ages of Fatima and Rafi's. Present ages are 7x, 5x. So we know the value of x. So present age of Rafi equal to, I think, 7x. Okay, 7x. So 7 into 5 equal to 35. So present age of Fatima equal to 5x. So 5 into 5, that equal to 25. These are the ages of Fatima and Rafi. Clear? Exercise 2.3. Observe these equations. Here we are having 14 sums. These all equations are having variables on both sides, LHS and RHS. Okay? And also the main theme of these sums is finding the values of the variables. Some equations having x variable, some equations having p variable, m, t, z, n, whatever it may be. We can find value of the variable. Finally our aim is to find the value of the variable. Okay, clear. Now moving to the second question. Second question, that is 5x minus 12 equal to 2x minus 6. How to find? Suppose here it is the LHS, it is the RHS. 5x minus 12 equal to 2x minus 6. Here 2x equal to positive integer. After moving this side, it turns into the negative integer. So positive integer turns into the negative integer, minus 2x. And it is the numerical value, it is negative integer, minus 12. After turns into the positive value, after moving this side, okay, plus 12. So the value equal to 5x minus 2x. Here signs are different, plus minus, so subtraction 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 3. Positive value having plus value, so plus value, 3x equal to minus 6 plus 12. So 12 minus 6, 6. Which sign we can use? Big value sign we can use. So here it is the positive, here it is also a positive. So we can calculate here variable equal to x. Our aim equal to value of the x. So x equal to 6. Here 3 is multiplies. After moving this side, divides. So 6 by 3 equal to 2. So x equal to 2. Eighth one. 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. Solution. Here 3 multiplies both variables t comma 3. Okay. So first 3 into t, 3t, plus into plus, plus, okay, plus into minus, minus, 3 into 3, 9, 5 into 2, plus into plus, plus, 5 into 2, 10, t, variable t, plus into minus, minus, 1 into 5, 5. Okay. First here it is a positive integer. After coming this side, it turns into the negative integer. 3t minus 10t equal to, this is the negative integer. After that, it turns into the positive integer. So both are different signs. Subtraction. 10 minus 3, 7t. But which symbol we can use? Big number symbol. Big numbers having minus symbol, so minus 70. So these are two different signs, so we can subtract. 9 minus 5, 4. Which symbol we can use? This big number having positive symbol, so we can use positive. So here we want t value, so t equal to what is t equal to 4. Here 7 is multiplies, after that divides. Here it is minus 7, so minus of 4 by 7. So t value equal to minus 4 by 7. Okay, clear? Okay students, very clear. Thanks for